This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for the week ending January 16th. Let's start by inputting the current balance in the account. So last week was a pretty good week. I made a little over $1,000 in the account, which is a percentage gain of 3.8%. And these were the 5 stocks that were held in the portfolio. So the first trade was Abbvie, which was the worst trade of the week, down 3%. And this is what the trade looked like. So we have a dip buying strategy, and this was the dip that the strategy picked up on. So it bought here on Monday and lost money during the week, exited here. Next trade is AMD, which was the best trade of the week. It was up 15.2%. And AMD had some weakness in the week prior, this one. So the system bought here on the Monday morning and sold here Friday at the close for a huge profit. Next one is Cisco, up 3.1%. And here was the dip, and here was the trade. Next one is Nvidia, up 1.6%. The weakness here and the trade here. And the last one is Schwab, up 3.6%. This was the dip, and this was the profitable trade. And let's now input the current balance into the cumulative tab. And this is how the cumulative equity curve looks of the strategy since going live in June of 2024. And let's also look at the performance of the system over the long term. Here's a back test going from 1994 to present date. And over that time frame, the strategy's got an annualized return of about 20% compared to about 9% for the S&P 500 benchmark index. And year to date, the strategy is up 1.7%. And here is the equity curve of the strategy back tested compared to the gray line, which is the S&P 500 benchmark. So that's the performance summary for weekly reversion. If you'd like to learn more about how the strategy works, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service where I email you the stock picks on a weekly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.